Hi. Well, we have a data here that it consists of the employee IDs and the details. So, if if you provide an employee ID, then the details of these employees will be shown, right, all at once. Well, I can just say change it to three, right, and then you can see that all of it there. You previously you can do it one by one, a VLOOKUP on each of these column. Now you can also use the XLOOKUP this way, right? Then you can see that here is J6, right? And then column A and B to hash, right, is basically the details of this employee. Now, what if I say that I just need the full name and the department? So how do you deal with this? Well, if we just do a X lookup, right? Let's see here, right? So I click on this here, then comma, and I say I want a full name, and but I want to skip the column C, D, E, F, but all this, and then G, right? So can I have a B and G? Well, how can this be done, right? Let's just enter, right? Let's just enter. Oh, wait a minute. We just have a column A as well, right? Enter. Well, you see, it can't, right? Well, in that case, then, well, we're going to do something like this, right? Apple, and then again, as lookup, this item, comma, click A, comma, G, right? And yeah, you can done it right this way. Well, is there any other way? Well, there is, right? So the way is that, okay, let's say this is two X lookup, right? So now we just do another one, right? Right there. And we just put it here. Now there is a way to turn that, okay, you just tell Excel that, hey, can you create a two column, right, on dynamically, right? It's like we want to have just column B and column G, right? So we want something like that, right? Just give me these. So as if like they only have this. So how do we create this concept, right? Is that we use the hash stack. The hash stack, right? So we'll give you this like this here and comma, and that means it's just combine these two column together, right, side by side. Now what do we get, right? Oh, of course we get nothing yet, right? Because you just combine that two column. But what do you want to do with it, right? Let's say I want to combine. Say I want to do a count, right? So just these two column on the count, right? So because these two column, right, consists of X. Count A should be better, right? Count A, right? Count A. So, oh, what do we have, right? Count A. Oh yeah. Let me just say. Let me just remove this here. Do we have that? Count A on hashtag on column B, column G, right? Somehow, just counting, right? How could it be so many, right? There could be something, some data down here. Oh yes, exactly, right? That's it. No, anything else? Nope. Nope. Something is not right. Let's just do another one here. Okay, these are fixed teachers data, right? Let's just take a look here. Potato. All right, so there are something that is not right here. You can see that count A, it doesn't work that way. So count A on this whole stack, column B and column G, what exactly give you? So you can count on the hashtag. However, the concept is really is that you combine these two columns together, just that you can't count. That's very strange, right? So supposed to be column these two column. If I do a count, let's see, right? Let's say I do a count A on this two column itself, right? It should be 8, but it wasn't the concept here. All right, so well, how to solve this, right? Well, I did come up with the, I found a solution, right? So let's take a look at here. Well, basically it's just like this, comma, Now previously we select the column B, right? But then now we want to use a hashtag, right? To combine the column B and the column G, right? So this hashtag BB, right? You can imagine like they only have column B and column G, like these two, right? So that means the return column has only the return array, right, has only two columns, and stack horizontally, and then just enter, and you can see that this is one XLOOKUP and return two columns of value in adjacent column. This is using uh, two separate XLOOKUP. Okay, so I also give a there's an explanation here. You can see here the formula XLOOKUP J2 hashtag BBG works because it uses XLOOKUP to search for the value in column A and then return the corresponding data from the array created by HSTACK. Right? You see that the array is created by HSTACK. Right? This HSTACK. So the key is this HSTACK here. It combines the column B and column G columns into a single array horizontally. So you see, it combines that. This result is an array where the first column corresponds to B and the second column corresponds to G. Right? Why is the hashtag needed? Because that normally XLOOKUP only allows you to return value from one column, right, or multiple columns, but they are continuously. Right? By using hashtag, you create a combined array that allows XLOOKUP to return multiple value in one step. You see it there, right? Without hashtag, you need to separate. I explained just now the difficulties of this here. Right? So now if you use XLOOKUP with hashtag, that's what happened, right? So I also have a graphical explanation here on XLOOKUP and as well as the hashtag, right? Oh, let's just see here, right? Hashtag right there. So that is a hashtag, and then the hashtag function stack array, and you can see that here, right? See, this become this hashtag. Hey, how come this hashtag can? Let's just try again, right? So looks like the hashtag. Let's say column. This is column B. And column G. Cannot spell. So, however, you can't do that. Why is that so? Alright. So we're gonna find out that in the next later on. Right? Thank you. So now in this video, you just learn how to use the hashtag and the XLOOKUP together. Thank you.